Hi everyone. My name is Victoria, and today I'm here to introduce myself as the new official face of the World Reserve Crypto project. World Reserve Crypto is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a project built on transparency, community, and a long-term vision. And it lives on Base, the next generation blockchain. World Reserve Crypto was created to offer a real alternative to the traditional financial system. It's designed to be shared by believers, not hoarded by whales. Even I recommend you not to buy more than 1 million WRC. Not because it isn't valuable, but because this project belongs to the community. And it's only fair that everyone has a chance to be part of it. Whenever needed, I'll personally keep you updated. Right here on YouTube and on X, clearly and directly. Transparency is at the core of World Reserve Crypto. I believe in this project because it doesn't promise the impossible. It offers a shared vision based on clear rules, anti-whale mechanisms, and rewards for long-term holders. I'm sure WRC will become one of the most trusted cryptocurrencies on Base. The future of decentralized finance belongs to those who believe in it. And if you're watching this video, you're one of them. Welcome to World Reserve Crypto. I'm Victoria, and this is just the beginning.